Your instincts spoke and you didn't listen. Here's what it's costing you. I'm making my lunch while I tell you this because fueling my body and protecting my energy, they're the same conversation. I'm VeRAWonica and this is your Daily Drop. You know, most of us have been taught to override our gut instincts, to give people the benefit of the doubt, not to jump to conclusions. So we ignore that quiet feeling that something is off. And so we keep investing our time, our energy, and our trust. We've been conditioned to be polite over being protected, to be open-minded over being discerning. RAWmazing friends, here's the thing. Our nervous system, our body, picks up information our conscious mind hasn't processed yet. That feeling is our data. I recently had to use every tool I had to verify something that felt deeply off to me, and I was right. The moment I confirmed it, I didn't lose control. I didn't second guess myself. I just removed access. Immediately. No explanation needed. That's not paranoia. That's not you questioning yourself. That's your standards in action. The higher you level up, the faster you recognize what's not in alignment with you. That's not you being difficult. That's you being refined, specific, and knowing your standards. I'm gonna put some olives in here because I love olives. Lots of them. That's good. Comment filter below and I'll send you my free guide, the alignment filter. 5 questions to ask before you invest your energy in anyone or anything. The link is in the bio. So RAWmazing friends, let's keep our frequency high, our hearts open, our mindset positive, and our fuel clean and RAWlicious. Have a RAWmazing day. Mmm.